Hello dear Kinsta users, welcome to Kinsta Documentation. Here our services is WordPress hosting, static site hosting, application hosting, database hosting. Firstly, we'll show here is a WordPress hosting. If you get started it's Kinsta's high performance WordPress hosting infrastructure, and it gives you access to 35 data centers worldwide to launch your WordPress site. Here is the guidance to add a new WordPress site. How can you add a new WordPress site? Here at Site Kinsta, we offer high performance enterprise grade infrastructure to power every managed WordPress site. Our platform is built on a global network of premium data centers. This means you have access to 37 data centers around the world when launching your WordPress site on Kinsta. CDN is enabled by default on all new sites here at Kinsta. If you do not want it enabled on your new site, you can disable the CDN on the CDN page, my Kinsta WordPress site name in the site. So if you want to add a new site, go to the WordPress site and add site and create the site. Next, you will promote it to select the type of site you wanted to create. There are three options, and here is the options. Install WordPress empty environment source and clone. Here, if you come to this point, you will understand everything: how to install and how to add your Kinsta in the new site. Here are the directions. So after that, the static site hosting. Uh, if you want to get started, static site hosting allows you to deploy static sites composed of non-dynamic files such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript directly onto Kinsta. And quick start templates. Here are the templates. And if you want to deploy the static site hosting, here is the directions. Clicking here, you will be able to see the directions or guidelines to add or to deploy the static site hosting on your website. After that, here is an application hosting, and it gives you to deploy applications from source code onto Kinsta infrastructures. And then database hosting. You can use Kinsta to host your database and connect it directly to one or more applications through secure connections. And supported database here: Redis, MariaDB, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and the other here. If you want to visit all, you can view here. Here is a guidance to install the database hosting, and the other services are the deep Kinsta, Kinsta API, billing, etc. Here is the all the guidelines, and you will get the 24/7 and 365 support, 65 days support. Is here the scope of support. Our expert support team is available 24/7 for customers with a paid plan or service from any page in Kinsta or contact support. Find out how to contact the Kinsta support team. Here is the contact support and contact information. And community forum. Here's the community forum. If you join this community, Kinsta community, will be able to share your problems about Kinsta hostings, and you will be able to connect with developers and other Kinsta users where your problem will be solved. So, 2013 to 2025, Kinsta Incorporation of rights reserves and Kinsta, My Kinsta, Dev Kinsta, and Sivalia are trademarks owned by the Kinsta Incorporations. There is a contact informations and about the Kinsta community. There is also the legal information. If you want to use the Kinsta hostings, these products, you can visit this page and know details about Kinsta products. Uh, Thank you for watching these videos.